This was Alice's first trip to the beach, and I couldn't hold it in. I had to at least wade through up to above my knees. The water didn't touch her yet, but I just couldn't help myself. I love the ocean so much, and the waves were just calling me. So this is my recipe for a caramelized pomegranate vinegar chicken. It just kind of happened this way, and I hope you enjoy it. So I just threw some olive oil into a pan, diced up some onions and dill weed, and threw it into saute for a little bit, as well as garlic, as always. And just kind of covered the onion and garlic and dill weed. Bring your baby with you if she's fussy. Anyway, I used two fairly large chicken breasts and just cooked them on a fairly low heat. Here it's really high to just kind of get the heat going. But I cooked this for about an hour and a half on an incredibly low heat. After it cooked on the high heat for a little bit, I turned the heat down and I actually poured probably a fourth of a cup or a little bit less of pomegranate vinegar, and then turned the heat down, covered the whole dish, and just let it very lightly simmer for about an hour and a half. This is how it came out. Very interestingly, the chicken first layer of the skin was very caramelized in a very nice way. And there's a baby booty. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more.